Today we will be covering the epic tiff and Twitter beef between Tesla's Elon Musk regarding his precious Dogecoin, as he is angry about Binance's customer service from CZ. I actually cannot believe that this story occurred, but of course it did. We're also going to talk about Bitcoin price action, and I have some really awesome news from Cardano's development side. So if you like Cardano, also known as ADA, make sure to smash the like, follow, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of the O show. Before we get into Elon Musk and CZ, let's talk about what is going on with Bitcoin, as we actually broke below 57.4. Yesterday's daily candle indicated an opening at 58.7 and a close here at 56, and with a swing wick low at 55.6. Now we are starting to rebound. So what I need to see today, I need to see us close above 57.5. Ultimately, I really want to see us flip this trend line at about $60,000. But one thing first, taking a look at our 12-hour chart, because Market Cypher does amazing with the 12 and the 6-hour chart. Let's see what's going on. We've created a local bottom here at about 55.9 approximately, which is good, and we're currently back up. Also, too, taking a look at the Market Cypher oscillators, we're starting to run back up. RSI, MFI is starting to look bullish. The yellow VWAP is looking bullish. And the blue cloud's got that beautiful upward tick over here. Now taking a look at the 6-hour. 6 hours also looking good. We printed that beautiful green dot and we are up. So again, you guys, I really just want to see us break above, sustain 60,000, but ultimately just get a close back above 57. So as of today, it doesn't look like we're going to get down to that $54,000, $53,000 area. However, please do stay diligent, because if you notice this candle here on the 6-hour chart, we had the bulls and the bears fighting and the bears won. So pay attention and stay diligent. As always, please pay attention to your portfolios and your positions. If there's something you need to take profit on, always consider doing that. And if you're not going to take profit, make sure you understand the risks of not taking profit, just in case we do get a gnarly dip down to $48,000. All right, babes, this is the tea here. So of course I logged onto Twitter at like 3 a.m. this morning, saw this, went back to bed, and then got back up at 5:30 and had to retweet it or post about it. So I tweeted, "Only in crypto do you see billionaire businessmen having a public tiff on a Tuesday nonetheless." So this was this post that was screen capped, and this is the actual original thread. So over here from CoinDesk, Binance CEO CZ is aiming for an improved perception by regulators of its global entity, he told the Financial Times. So Binance has been in the news a lot. Binance is also under heavy scrutiny from a lot of the regulatory bodies globally. They don't want them to do margin trading. There's a lot of coins they don't like. There's a lot of KYC issues, a lot of really crazy things that always pop up with Binance all the time. And this story is going to segue into some of the potentially shady things that they're doing. I've also said, if you're in the United States, please get all of your funds off of Binance, because technically by TOS, terms of services, you are not allowed to use the exchange. Anyways, do what you want to do, not my business. I'm just reporting on the news. But after CoinDesk tweeted us, Elon Musk tweets this: "Hey ZZ, what's going on with your Doge customers? Sounds shady." And of course, CZ pops back in over here. "Elon, we are pretty certain is an issue with the latest Doge wallet. We are in communication with the devs. Apologies for any inconvenience this may have caused you." And then, this is the interesting part, what happened here as he clapped back, and he posted an article from The Guardian. "Tesla software glitch prompts safety recall for nearly 12,000 US vehicles." So there's a communication error that had issues with the emergency brakes, and CZ kind of blasted Elon Musk for this, which that's not my business. They're going to go ahead and tiff whatever it is they're going to do. And then Binance Actual Exchange commented here, "Hey Elon Musk, no, not shady, just frustrating, and we're working on it, details here." So this is going to be a thread about the Dogecoin wallet on Binance. And then Elon Musk commented back, clap back, "Doge holders using Binance should be protected from errors that are not their fault." So Elon Musk is right. At the end of the day, Binance does need to do better. But I got a couple of really important tea I want to show you. So this is over here from CZ. I had to include this. He said, this is fairly accurate description of what happened with Doge. We're transparent, not shady. Thank you. Some people can disagree a little bit, but basically this was the Dogecoin developers talking about what's going on with Binance and stuck transactions, etc. But pay attention to this thread from my good friend Wolf. He tweeted this back on November 10th. Anyone got any sauce on this? Doge Binance. So basically he's talking about Binance had messed up and sent a bunch of Dogecoin to random people. And it looks like they reprocessed withdrawals from last year by accident. So he went ahead and posted this to Twitter because that was a mistake. Down over here, further sauce development on the story. Expect an official statement from Binance about Doge. And this is November 10th, and they didn't really communicate back on November 10th about this. And then down over here, he's talking about more. He says, if you've withdrawn Doge from your Binance account to another wallet, go check that wallet. You may have received free tokens from Binance's Oopsie. So basically what happened, Binance sent a bunch of Dogecoin out to different wallet addresses that it shouldn't have been given access to or shouldn't have been able to send to. And those people withdrawed rightfully because it was an issue by Binance. So Wolf was on this many days ago, and it's just really sad that it had to get pushed out to the public like that. But I guess it's actually a good thing that it got pushed out to the public, so there's more awareness. I am kind of neutral on this. I think it was a mistake, and Binance does need to correct the mistake and credit the people that were impacted by this. But at the same time, they also do need to kind of be more transparent as well and not leave their users hanging. The way CZ responded to Elon Musk is, you know, maybe he was trying to match Elon Musk's humor. I don't know, for kind of putting him on blast. I would have been embarrassed myself. Either way, I had to talk to you guys about the story, but let's go ahead and take a look at Dogecoin price now. This is our Dogecoin daily chart, and we actually stood above this master trend line that I drew all the way down from here, July 21st to September 28th, and then approximately this area at about November 18th. So we broke through support and we're starting to pop back up again. Again, I need to really see us kind of flip above 26 cents to stay bullish, and it's looking like we're starting to flip up a little bit. Stochastic, RSI, and MACD look like they're ready to run. So hopefully people that are holding to Dogecoin get a little Thanksgiving gift this year. And let's talk about Cardano now. Cardano ADA stablecoin hub Adriana to build bridge between Cardano and Near protocol. I'm going to read the excerpt to you guys. The future of blockchain could be a multi-chain approach to networks. I've been talking about multi-chain. I've been talking about interoperability. I've been saying this for years now. Anyways, creating a master structure where transactions can be freely conducted across an entire ecosystem of chains. A new collab between Cardano and Near protocol is bringing this closer to life with its infrastructure bridge. This is immensely bullish for Cardano because a lot of you guys are getting tired with price. Somebody asked me on Sunday, Wendy, should I sell? And I said, well, that's really up to you. If you believe in it long term, you may want to reconsider that because Cardano is very slow in development, but they do get things done eventually. Could take a million years though. Take a look at the chart. This is our Cardano chart, and we have broken below the EMA 200, and we're kind of holding on for dear life here. Stochastic is kind of looking like it's going to bear cross and head down. RSI is running upward, and MACD is heading downward. So we're not quite ready for a bounce on the daily, but let's take a look at the 12-hour. So 12-hour is showing that we're going to really try hard to hold the line. And again, you guys, if we do not hold the line here and get back above, I really want to see us get in, even in this range between 179 and 194, I'd be happy, but we really need to get back above. If we cannot get back above $1.80, I would anticipate a drop probably closer to 160 at this time. So be careful here. And this is actually a bullish story for Cardano long term. It may not impact price right away, especially with what Bitcoin is doing because it's very uncertain. Let's talk about our next story. Audius launches NFT embedded tool for Twitter and Discord. So Audius, audio, which I bought a bag live and I'm still holding it, is down a bit. That's okay. This is something I believe in long term. So Audius has launched a feature to let users embed their NFTs on Twitter and Discord. Users must connect their Web3 wallet to the app to get access to an embedded video gallery of their NFTs, which is dope. NFTs are absolutely amazing. And besides Audius, several Web2 companies have started to explore NFTs as the technology has gained popularity in recent months. I love this. I absolutely love it. I'm happy for everybody that's holding Audius. I'm happy for the community, and I'm really happy for artists that are creating, utilizing NFTs. It's amazing. NFTs are the future. As far as price goes with Audius, we are on our way up. This is positive news. We have been kind of consolidating in this range between approximately 257 to about 186, which is above the EMA 200. Yes, we did get some swing wick highs to about $2.88, but right now we're looking good. We're looking good. Ultimately, for me to be bullish, I really need to see us kind of break out above 256, kind of sustain, consolidate, do something like this. Pop, 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 pop. But, you know, the market will do what the market wants to do when they want to do it. But even if we just draw a little bit of a trend line, we can see we're in a cute little baby uptrend. So just as long as we continue on our way up, I hope we can break all-time high, and I hope we are rewarded for our efforts.